Gordon's one of our biggest stations in the hydro. It's a 450 megawatt station and also has the biggest storage capacity for the hydro. The water from Lake Gordon runs through Lake Gordon Power Station, and that's where we had some issues with the Gordon intake gate that allows the water to go into the power station. The intake gate, which as I said, cuts the water off from the lake into the power station. It's a 60-tonne cylindrical gate. It's 8 metres diameter and 5 metres high, and it's basically a tube that fits inside the tower that cuts off the flow, and the servo motor or ram that holds that up. We had to replace that ram, shut the station down and isolate the whole tower. It's one of the highest risk jobs we do in the hydro. It's one of our most important assets, and it's very expensive to take this asset out for any length of time. We have very highly qualified operators and fitters and riggers that work on it. And the divers are working in a very high risk environment, as well as working in a confined space down a dark hole and very cold and very dark conditions. It's a very challenging job. So you're working 50 metres below the lake, and there's another 150 metres drop down into the power station underground. When you're down the hole, it's pitch black anyway. When you're down that tower, 50 metres down a hole, you can't see your hand in front of your face without a decent torch. And divers are the same. Working 50 metres down a lake you just can't see anything. So it really made very little difference whether we worked night or day. The outage was planned for 4 weeks, and we ended up coming in just short of that. We came in 4 days early, which saved in the order of about $1 million to the hydro. The quiet achievers, I think, trying to make sure that we keep the lights on.